So just wanted to talk through. I've written this book, and I just wanted to talk through how I came about writing it and uh, the whole process. So, the writing of the book, um, pretty much one night I had this dream where I was walking, and it was a very green area I was walking in, like through a forest. And I thought, when in the dream, I thought, wouldn't it be nice if there was a lot of wildflowers in this? And I woke up the next morning and pretty much took my phone out and took the notepad out on it and just wrote down the storyline. It took me probably 10 minutes or something like that. Uh, and so I went downstairs and I said to my wife, "Oh, I've written this little story." So I let her read it, and she liked it. So the story's about a boy walking his dog. At the time, I was walking my dog along, still do, and he walked the same route every day, which is pretty much what I was doing too. And when I was doing this, the seasons kept changing, so nights would get darker, things like that. And but same route every day, and so that was the basis for the story. There's a lot of things in it for children. There's about the seasons changing, and there's about going through sort of through a darker period, and you end up coming out the other side. And there's sort of animals in it, things like that. And so I don't know. Maybe at the time I had been painting for a while before that. My wife said, "Look, would you not think of illustrating it?" And I thought, well, as you can see from that notepad there, I put the number against each picture, so that's 29 pictures. It's probably going to take me about 10 hours a picture, and it's a lot of time. And it's not a commercial venture for me anyway. It's maybe something more for the children. So I went and I painted one picture and thought, right, well, I'll do one and I'll choose one that I want to paint. And once you've done one, I wanted to see how long it would take me to work out how long the whole process was going to be. Once you've done one, once you've started, well, the rest will, whatever the rest followed. And it was a bit of a labour of love in the end. So so I went from painting number one to painting number 29. Then had to photograph all those paintings, which I just did on my phone. Didn't get anyone in. The canvases themselves are 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters. They have to be quite big to get any sort of resolution. Then after that, I put them on to use the Photoshop, done a double spread, made a manuscript up, put it up onto Amazon, what was it, KDP, I think, it's called. Yeah, KDP. Yeah. That's it. Kindle Direct Publishing. Yeah. So I uploaded it there, and that's where it's available. Available to download or to buy. So you can. I've got hard copy, soft copy, and the ebook. And I just wanted to talk through the whole process for anyone interested in doing it themselves, and anyone interested. I'll go through each painting, and if anyone is interested in doing some acrylic painting, and just that's what I wanted to do. So this is just an introduction to what I'm going to do, and the next video will follow will be my first painting, and we'll hopefully get all the way to that. All right, thanks for that. Cheers.